You love your pet, but you don't always love the way they make your house smell. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth with a natural recipe to deodorize the pet stink from your home. For this recipe, you will need an aluminum spray bottle, ginger essential oil, and our Peace and Quiet blend. Let's get started. To my aluminum spray bottle, I'm going to be adding 10 drops of ginger essential oil. Ginger essential oil is a natural deodorizer, great for cleaning up stinky pet smells. 20 drops of Peace and Quiet essential oil. Our Peace and Quiet blend is really calming and pairs well with ginger to make a relaxing atmosphere in your home. And I'm going to fill the rest of my spray bottle up with distilled water. Distilled water allows your recipe to last longer than using regular water. To use this spray, just shake it and spray it in areas where pet odors tend to hang out. You'll want to spray it in open areas because closed areas, like maybe an enclosed litter box, can overwhelm your pet. So keep it in an open area to reduce the smell of pet odors for a natural, happier home. To get everything you need for this recipe and more, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box. This month we're focusing on using essential oils with pet care to make a natural home for a safer home for your beloved pet. When you subscribe today, not only will you get our recipe box, but you'll get our big bonus box filled with things like beeswax and coconut oil and almond oil and containers for your recipes to make this recipe box come to the next level. So subscribe today and all this will be yours for a natural home for a happier pet.